Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for a love bite. Let's see what the universe has for you today, what message wants to show through for you today, Cancer. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin your reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Cancer, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, Queen of Swords, center of my spread. Okay. Somebody's looking for some answers. Six of Pentacles, the conflict, and a new beginning coming up, Cancer. Things are pretty stuck in the connection from what I feel at the moment. The Wheel of Fortune is in reverse. There's some kind of stagnancy. There is somebody who's feeling very ungrounded now. Maybe there's a lot of confusion, lost hope, because there's a Queen of Swords now who's got their sword up and not taking any bullshit from this King of Swords who's in reverse. Now, King of Swords in reverse is sometimes a liar, sometimes a bad communicator, can be harsh and rude sometimes, but this Queen of Swords is now kind of matching that energy to say, hey, no more bullshit, okay? No more unequal give and take. If there's going to be a conflict, I'm off for a fresh new beginning. So let's see what happens. I'll clarify these cards later, Cancer. Let's start with some dialogue message cards to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Cancer and their person. Okay. Take a few from here. Cancer and their person. Oops. Cancer and their person spirit. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright, Cancer, the first card I have here for you says, your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. Why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know that we are what we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness to how our two distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared, because it scares the F out of me too. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. I think of you before I sleep. I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. My family doesn't understand our connection. This is the second reference, Cancer, I've got to the family now. Maybe other people are in the mix here, creating drama. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. It hurts me to say that we should go our separate ways. I will wait for you for as long as I have to. We see this from two different perspectives. Alright, Cancer, if this is close to your story, let's start your reading, and I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, see how my angels can help with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. There is a deep, deep, deep love bond here, Cancer. What advice can I get after seeing this card? There is a deep, deep love here. Okay, so let's start clarifying the cards now and see what's happening here. Page of Wands with the Ace of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands and the Ace of Wands. This one is sideways. Page of Wands with this Knight of Ace of Wands, Spirit. Something has come to an. There is a Queen of Wands and a Queen of Pentacles and a King of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody didn't put in the work to get this going. Things have stagnated, and there's a loss of passion here in this connection. Also feeling that the love is lost now. Who's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles doesn't have the courage right now to come forward because they feel that this feminine has a lot of trust issues now with them. They don't trust the masculine. They are not even stressed out about them. They won't be interested in a fresh new beginning. At least that's how the masculine is feeling. And that's making them feel very, very, very restless. What else, Spirit? Yes, somebody is feeling like they've lost the battle here already before even going to war. They've already lost this battle. They're feeling ashamed. They're feeling embarrassed. They're feeling it can't be done now. Why is that? Why is there so much confusion here, Spirit, with the Seven of Cups? What's this confusion? Maybe in the past, this masculine was a bit immature. They were only doing what they wanted to do. They never offered the commitment that was supposed to be given. And maybe there's a lot of gossip around this connection as well, which is leading to a lot of confusion here. Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords, Spirit. Queen of Swords feels also this has come to an end because there's been a fight, I think. There's been a fight between this Queen of Swords and this King of Swords. This Queen of Swords feels that their person always always has to have their way, and they are like a dictator. It's always their way or the highway. It's about what they want in life, what they want to do. So I think this Queen of Swords now wants to keep her boundaries up. King of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, this King of Swords has done or said something rash or created some kind of a fight or conflict. Just give me a second, Cancer. My battery needs to be reset. 1 second. Okay, which has led now, I think, to this connection becoming a bit imbalanced. Yes, there's been a fight. There's been this connection is in troubled waters right now, going backwards because of unequal give and take, creating a lot of delays in this connection. Somebody was a bit emotionally closed off, maybe was trying to emotionally manipulate this Queen of Swords, and that's what's led to this conflict. 5 of Wands, Spirit. 5 of Wands. Imbalance, imbalance, imbalance. So what's this Magician doing here, Spirit? Who's manifesting what now? Oh, somebody doesn't want this chapter to end though, even though there's been a conflict, even though you guys may not be on the same page. Somebody wants to re-begin from scratch. Yes, somebody is now manifesting back this connection. They want to now come with a stable offer. They don't want this connection to end. Whoever this masculine is wants to come in correct this time. They want to come and tell this feminine, hey, I'm a big boy now. I'm going to now do the right thing. I'm going to take care. I'm going to provide. I'm going to be stable. And somebody is looking for a fresh new beginning here with the Fool card. Fool card, Spirit. Fool. Yes, somebody wants to get out of feeling stuck. They want to end the burden now. They want to heal the broken heart. And maybe propose. Who knows? Look at this. Somebody now wants everything to end, all these burdens, the broken heart, this feeling stuck, and wanting to have a fresh new beginning and re-begin. So, what's this Wheel of Fortune then, Spirit, in reverse? Wheel of Fortune in reverse is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Okay, so some secrets will have to be told before this new beginning can happen. Somebody really needs to come clean. Somebody really needs to open up and reveal their innermost secrets before this Wheel of Fortune can move ahead. But I do feel, because there's so much love in this equation, if handled the right way, because this masculine is now ready, they do want to do the right thing. Yes, things can start moving. Let's see your next reading. What's in-depth reading we'll do. Find out how the masculine is feeling, how the feminine is feeling, and what potential there is now. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.